How to restrict someone on Facebook without blocking. First is go to your Facebook app and then go to your profile or search for the name of that person. So if you go to your profile, you should go to your friends and search for the name of that person. You may also search right here, click on their name, and then click on friends right here. So click on that one and click on Edit Friends List on the bottommost part. Click on Restricted found on the bottommost part as well, and then click on Done on the upper right corner. So there you go. If you cannot see the Friends button right here, there might be a three dot button found on the rightmost part of message right here. So you click on that, click on friends, and again, click on edit friends list, click on restricted, click on done, and then there you go. That's how you can restrict someone on Facebook without blocking.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.